Hello and welcome to yet another unboxing video of our channel Experts Beyond, and this is going to be a really quick unboxing video. So without wasting any time, let's proceed to the unboxing. And to be frank, the unboxing was already done on the shop for installation process. This is the first look that you get when you open the box. Some protection cushions and the laptop itself. So when you unbox this is very basic design of Dell Inspiron series. Let me put this package down. As you can see, the design is very basic. There is a matte texture over it and nothing special to be mentioned in the unboxing video as such. This is the very first look that you will get out of the box. Nothing special. Let's see what else we have got in the package. There is a quick start guide and a charging cable, of course. As I told you, the unboxing was already done at this shop for installation process. This is the very basic Dell charging cable, the power cable. One thing that I forgot to mention, that this particular model, Dell Inspiron 3567, comes with pre-installed Windows 10. I got accessories with this laptop like bag, Dell bag, and if you ask me about the build quality of this bag is very poor. As you can see, the stitchings are already coming out. I will never recommend this bag using it for travel basis. The cushioning and the protection level is very poor. Okay then, this is it for today's unboxing video. Stay tuned with Experts Beyond till I come up with another video doing review on this Dell Inspiron 3000 series. Till then, goodbye, take care, signing off. This is Experts Beyond.